Ever wondered how the power behind a Keith walking floor system keeps materials moving effortlessly? It's all in the flow, the hydraulic flow. At the heart of every walking floor system is a robust hydraulic drive. As the oil flows through the system, it powers the synchronized four-stage movement of the floor slats. Let's dive in. With a cutaway view of the cylinders, we can show the mechanics of how oil flows through the system. Red indicates the oil flow is high-pressure oil. Green is the return oil, which is not under pressure. Blue represents the blocked oil, which is not allowing the oil to flow. The cylinder barrels contain actuator tabs, shown here in black. These tabs depress the plunger of the check valves, allowing high-pressure oil in the next cylinder to flow, moving the barrel. The switching valve, shown here just behind two restrictor valves, controls the direction that the cylinder barrels move during the third stage. Two brackets hanging off the number 1 and number 3 cross drives actuate the switching valve, with the fourth and final stage being controlled by the switching valve. In this view, the third component that resembles a check valve is actually an adapter block. Several design features set Keith's cylinders apart, including the movement of the cylinder barrel rather than the rod. Multi-chambered cylinders allow dual hydraulic forces, which makes the walking floor system the strongest, most reliable moving floor available. And just like that, the hydraulic drive starts the process all over again, keeping materials flowing efficiently and the walking floor system operating load after load, day after day.